Hi, my name's Rosalind and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to Apple products and social media and looking to learn new skills, then you're in the right place. Today's video is called iPhone Security Settings, and I'm going to run you through a few settings and changes that I've made to my phone just so that I feel a bit more comfortable and protected against hackers trying to get into my phone. And at the end of the video, there's just a couple of niceties that I've amended as well. Anyway, let's get onto my phone and I'll show you what I've done. So we're going to look at some privacy settings first of all. So if we go into our Utilities app and then we go into Settings, scroll down until you find the Privacy section. Click on Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom until you see the last one, which says Advertising, and click on that. Checking this box to green will limit Apple being able to track your behavior on your phone. They use this behavior to advertise to you. If you turn it off, they will still be sending you adverts, but they won't specifically geared up to any information they've gained from the way that you use your phone. And back into privacy, and the other setting you need to look at is the analytics. So on this screen you need to make sure that you don't have any of these checked. So also checking your activity on your phone here, and also they can track your location. So from here, go back into settings and we're looking for Touch ID and passcode. So click on that and then you'll be asked to put in your Touch ID number. So put that in and then that will take you to another screen and you need to click on Change Passcode. Now I haven't actually updated my phone yet to the iOS 13, which I will be doing shortly, and there are more options now for your passcode. Previously, when it had been 4 digits, you can now make it 6 digits, and then there's a third option, and that's to make it alphanumerical. Now that's the best one to pick. So if you change that, change your password settings and then click Done. So still in the Touch ID and passcode section, we're going to scroll down till we get to the Allow Actions from your locked screen. Now this is an important one, because when your screen's locked you can swipe up and get to your control centre. Now in your control centre you'll have your airplane mode, which you can turn on from your control centre. So if someone's stolen your phone and they go into it, swipe up to your control centre and turn your phone onto airplane mode, you won't be able to find it using your Find Your Phone app. And if you need to check how to do that, then check out my other video, which is called Where's My Phone? So I like to make sure that that's turned off. Also Siri, I like to turn that off as well. Even though Siri doesn't give all access to all areas of your phone via the locked screen, it can say what number you last dialed and varying other things. So to be safe, it's best to turn that off as well. And if you've got any home controls connected, say you have a button that you can push to open your front gates or your garage, then it's best to turn that off as well so they can't access that just from your locked screen. So just scroll through and make sure that you've got the settings right that's applicable to you. So now we're going back into settings and we're going to click on our name at the top. And from here we're going to click Password and Security. Now from here we see the two-factor authentication, which you want to turn on, and follow the steps to add a second security blanket onto your phone. So if somebody has your passcode to get into your phone, they can call up Apple and pretend to be you. But if you have two factors on there, they'll need to answer the second one, which they won't have because they've only got your first one from some third party. So make sure you've got that turned on and follow the instructions to make that secure. So now back into settings and we're looking for display and brightness. Now if you've updated to 13.1.1, you'll see the new dark mode is available, so you can click on that if you fancy changing your screen. I'm going to leave mine on light and just show you here also the night shift. Now if you go into that, you can actually schedule your phone to go into the night mode from a certain point in time of the day. You can customize it exactly to what time you want it to start and finish, or you can do it from sunset to sunrise. So if you fancy using the night shift mode, then just make the changes here. So back into display and brightness now, we can see here we've got the auto lock button. So you can see my phone is set for 5 minutes. So that means if I haven't touched my phone for 5 minutes, it's going to automatically lock the screen and going to require a password, something to get back in to make the screen active again. So just have a look, and however long you want to put your auto lock on for, this is where you can change it. Now back into settings, and we're looking for accessibility. Now if you haven't updated your phone, this will still be under general, but it will look the same. So scroll down until you come to hearing. There are lots of other things in here that you might want to amend, but I just wanted to show you this particular one, which is the LED flash for alerts. So if you're in the cinema or you're in a meeting and you don't want your phone to be ringing, then just switch these over to the green, and then you'll get a flash on your screen that will tell you that you've got a message or a call coming. So they're handy if you need those. So the last thing I'm going to show you is back in settings and in general, and it's just down from the top where it says software update. So if you click on that, this will make sure that you automatically get your updates. So you'll see I'm on 13 here and I need to install 13.1.1. So if I click on automatic updates, it will do it for me in the evening if I've got it plugged in. This one says it's going to do it tonight, or I could push it through manually and make it do it that way. So just make sure you've got the automatic setting on. So that was just a few things you could do on your phone just to change a couple of settings. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, that would be great. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, bye.